Welcome to the photovoltaic warehouse. In this video, we will see the assembly and configuration of the pre-assembled kit with a solar inverter. Luxpower, by the way, is available on our website. The Luxpower solar inverter can be used off-grid, with batteries, with generator or other sources of power generation. Or it can also operate connected to the grid. Let's go with the assembly. It is very simple. One person is enough. But in this case, to go faster, we have used 2 installers. We make the holes and place the kit so that it stays on the wall. Now we just have to screw each of the corners. It is very easy and saves you a lot of trouble with this kit. Once screwed and fixed to the wall, it would be ready to connect it to the battery and start it up. In this case, we have a protection box of the brand BOXPV from AC/DC. This model includes several AC circuit breakers and differential AC, and also a plug, in case you need to connect something. And in the upper part, several surge and fuses along with a selector. The kit also includes this fuse, which, to tell you the truth, is quite large. Let's connect the battery. In this case, the model is Dynes. The first thing we have to do is to connect the orange wire to the positive and the black wire to the negative. It's pretty easy. Now, we connect the communications cable, but make sure it is the side that says battery. And the same with the one that goes to the inverter. In this one, it must say inverter. We get under the inverter, and we activate the switch on the right side. And we do exactly the same with the other side. You should hear a beep. Now all we have to do is press the red button that says SW on it, and everything would be ready. Let's go with the configuration. We turn on the screen. We press enter 3 seconds. The wrench appears. The first parameter is the date. With enter you can change it. Exit by pressing enter again for 3 seconds. It has 3 modes. The first one would be 2 strings, 1 for each MPPT. The second one would be only on 1 MPPT. And the third one, a direct current source, such as a battery. We go to parameter 3. We select the battery type and set type 8 for Dynes. It restarts and everything is ready. Visit us at almacén And if you are a professional, enjoy special prices on all your orders. We are waiting for you!